Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernard from the BTN HD, and today we have an awesome unboxing first impressions. I'm pretty excited about this. We are doing an unboxing of the Mixcder E9 wireless headsets. I've been trying to find a good low budget headset which would do wired and wireless, and I found these guys under $100, which is extremely good for my budget. So let's open it up, see what's inside the box. I'm going to give my first impressions on it, and let's go. Alright, so what comes inside the box? You have this nice little plastic bag which comes with the user manual. Inside the box you also have a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter cable. Huge plus for me. This looks like an airplane adapter. This looks like the warranty thanking me for my purchase. You have your USB cable. I'm assuming this is how you charge it for wireless. And the headphone. And you have this carrying case. Cool. So I'm going to put this carrying case to the side and the headphones. One of the cool things I like about this headphone is one, it's foldable. Right? That's a huge plus for me. Two, it is wireless and wired, which is a huge plus. The company is stating that these E9s, are classified as noise canceling. So I definitely need to test that out for you guys when I'm doing my review. I've been trying to find a good pair of headphones. So when I do, when I go to the gym and work out, or I do my running, my track and field stuff with my son and his team, I like to listen to some music. So hopefully I'm going to test that stuff out to see how well it works out when I'm working out and sweating. It does have nice, comfortable cushion on the ear pads right here. It's pretty sturdy, pretty solid. On, let's see which one is left, which one is right. On the right hand side, it looks like you got your volume control here. This is where you insert your USB to charge. Your power button here. You have light indicators, which will tell you when it's Bluetooth or turned on. You got an A and C. Oh, look, it's already blue. I'm going to turn that off. This is where you insert your 3.5 millimeter cable. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, how much are these guys? Again, like I said, it's under $100. Retail price is $79.99 at their website. They are advertising around 30 hours on the playtime on the the wireless. Definitely need to test that out. But yeah, that's it. My first impressions. I like the price. I like the design. They really feel kind of sturdy. They're really light. I like the fact that it has all these nice little gadgets and buttons. I definitely need to test out the noise cancellation technology on these particular headsets. And the playtime, 30 hours. That's what they're advertising. Let's see how long it actually runs. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing / first impressions on the Mixcder E9 wireless / wired headsets. If you have any comments or concerns, leave them at the bottom. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.